Greetings. Now, I've had a heck of a time yesterday and this morning trying to make a fly tying video. It's snowing like crazy outside, so there's no getting out, taking a break. Yesterday I tried to tie a bluegill streamer type fly. Had this brilliant idea, tied it up, looked at it, go, that's the dumbest looking thing I've ever seen. Trashed it, wasn't worth it. All great ideas don't turn out so great. Then I decided to tie a emerger Adams. It's a paraploop design. Shouldn't have been that hard. Well, my first attempt, I put a little UV on the Antron post that you pull through. Put too much on it, couldn't get it to pull through. That fly was trashed. Tried it again. One of the hackles broke off. Trashed again. Tried it again. I broke the Antron when I was pulling it tight. Trashed again. Well, even on this video where I finally got through the fly, I had some problems wrapping the hackle. I did some editing on that so I didn't look like a complete blithering idiot. Had the shakes a little bit this morning. But anyway, finally got this fly finished. I think it looks really good. It's an Adams, so that's almost a guarantee to catch fish. And it's a paraploop design. It's on a size 16 hook with a little bit of dark brown flash dubbing for the tail. Kapok dubbing for the body, because you can wrap it real tight. Brown and griz hackle. And the sliding post is Antron yarn. So anyway, here we go. We're going to tie a Adams emerger. Hope you enjoy the video. Okay. We're going to tie this Adams emerger. Size 16 hook. And 018 nano silk. Okay, for the tail, just going to use a little bit of dark brown flash dubbing. Not a whole lot. Just tie that right on top. That off. About that long. Okay. Now for the body, just use some gray Kapok dubbing. And forward. And Just a little bit of taper. I'm like that. Okay. I'm going to tie on 2 hackles. One's brown. I like this nano silk because it doesn't build up a whole lot. Okay. And the second hackle's is going to be grizzly. Now I'm going to cut those hackles the same length so I can get my hackle pliers on them later, if I can. Okay. And next, I'm just going to take a strip of wool, Antron, couple of wraps in back, okay. This is a paraploop design. Now, just so it's a little stabler, I'm just going to take a, get a little more. Small drop of UV. Put that right on the base. You don't want to go up too high. If you go up too high with that UV, it'll get in your way when you go to pull that paraploop. Okay. Next, I'm going to take a little more dubbing. Build that up just a little bit, maybe a little more. Okay. Alrighty. Now, okay. Gonna Grip these hackles with the hackle pliers. Go up and then down. Okay. God damn it. I'm just going to take my thread, tie that off on the post. That was a little tricky. Okay. Okay, next, take just a little more dubbing. That out of the way. Okay. Now I'm going to pull all that back and pull this Antron forward. Just a few wraps. And then slide that forward. Pull that forward real tight. Tie that off. Trim it off. Hold that up, tie it off real good. Rid of a straggler. And now we're going to whip finish. Yeah, not too bad. There we have it. Adams emerger. Should work great.